Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome to a very exciting tutorial for me specifically. This is something that I've wanted to do for a while. Uh, if you have a Mac and you use a external mic or internal mic, mainly an external mic for this specific reason, do you ever want to record something with, record your voice while recording the gameplay without actually having other people hear the game you're playing, because you want to, say, record at nighttime, and even if you're not even recording your voice and you want people to hear your gameplay? I'm going to show you how to set that up. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you basically what it sounds like without this specific thing I'm going to show you how to set up. So let me switch over to a gameplay video real quick. So let's go ahead and test the launch of the Learstar. I turned it in 90 degrees to face east so that I could go ahead and turn. I'm also going to make sure my volume's all the way up so you can hear it. Turn SAS on, throttle all the way up, fire, launch. Listen to those engines roar. And so, as you could hear in that game, or in that video, you could hear my voice, but you couldn't hear the game. So let's switch over to what I'm going to show you how to do, or what it's going to sound like whenever we're done. So let's go ahead and switch over to the next video. Hello, and so we're going to launch the Learstar A1, and we're going to launch everything at once. And fire. So in that gameplay video, you could hear the game sound and my voice. My voice wasn't very loud because I had my volume up way too much, which I'm going to turn it down. So what I'm going to show you how to do now is I'm going to show you how to set that up. So on the internet, let me drag this over here. You want to do a Google search for Soundflower, and this Rogue Amoeba, they're the developers of it. So we're going to go to their website, and then you just click it, download Soundflower, and it will download it. I'm not going to, I'll go ahead and show it in Finder, open it up, and then you just install it. So we don't need the internet anymore. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit the command spacebar, and we're going to open up Audio MIDI Setup. And what you want to do is you want to come down here and you want to hit the little plus sign down at the very bottom left-hand corner of it. And you want to create aggregate device. And then you can name it whatever you want. I have mine right here called Voicing Game. So you can name it whatever you want. You can name it, voice, game audio, whatever you want. And inside this one, you want to find your audio device, which is your headset or your so I'm only going to do this for a headset because most people use a microphone. And so you want to find your microphone, which has an output on it, which, if you notice, 2. You want to select it, and then you also want to select. That's nice. It wasn't even running. I don't know why it quit unexpectedly. You want to click Soundflower 2 channel as well. You want to select both of those. But I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. I'll go ahead and leave it there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to exit that because I don't need it. Just remember the name of your the device you're setting up, the aggregate device that you set up. So now you want to go to System, Preferences, and you want to go to Sound, and your output you want to be set to Soundflower 2 channel, and your input you want to be set to the one that you are using, or the aggregate device that you set up. So, I named it as aggregate device, but the one I use mainly is my voice in game. This one's just for tutorial purposes. So once you're done with that, you can exit that, and then hit Command Spacebar again and type in Sound, and open up Sound Flower Bed. And a flower will appear up here in the top left hand, or in the top. And then when you click it, you'll see a pink flower at the top where it's Soundflower 2 channel, and you want that to be the built-in output. And then when you do a QuickTime recording, so I'm doing a screen recording, let's do audio, you click on here, and because I'm recording right now, it's not going to let me do it, but you want it to be set to voice and game. So here's what I'll do. I'll go ahead and exit the recording real quick, and I'll show you the actual thing right there. So just okay, I'm back with I'm going to show you the actual thing you want to choose. So if I come into audio recording, since I'm doing a screen recording, I can't do that. And it's right here. You want aggregate device. And what that will do is that will allow you to record your voice and whatever is going on your computer as well. So if you want to, I'm going to make another couple videos about setting up Apple scripts and making it where you can just click on it and you can choose your settings and stuff like that. So as always, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.